What's up, everybody? It's Big Rough TV, and I'm back with another Pixel Fold video. All right, now I made a mistake. I meant to film this process here. I just installed this dome glass screen protector, and man, it was so fast. I didn't think that it was going to be that fast, but the screen protector is on here now. It is already on. The process to install it was so simple and fast, and it's a glass screen protector. All right, it's I'm kind of shocked right now. I've never installed a screen protector that fast, but the front of the device, if you can see that, you can see the edges around there. There's a screen protector on here. So this is it. And there's another one inside of here. So let me see if I can set that up for you. So this is what the other one looks like. This is the one I haven't used. All right, so it tells you all the instructions here. You know, once you put everything in there, you clean everything off. This is all what you're supposed to do here. These are your steps. Wipe down the device, clean everything, fasten the tray on both sides. These are all your instructions on what you do. And then you put this in here. Of course, not with that white, you remove that. But then you put it in there, face down like this, boom. And then you follow these steps. Of course, there's a sticker in there that you remove. You can see that on that side. You remove that sticker on the inside there, and then you follow these steps, and it seals itself in there. So it has these extras, you know, to get the dust off, and where'd I put that over here? The extra one over there. I'll put the extra dust remover and the extra wipe that it comes with over here. But man, it was such a quick process. Now the screen protector is already on, and I'm super protected already. I can't believe it was that fast. And glass screen protector, man, like, I highly recommend it. I highly recommend you all going out and buying this. It was $19.99, but then there was a $5 coupon on Amazon to have it removed $5, so it dropped it down to $14.99. So if you're looking to protect your brand new Pixel Fold, and as you can see, touch response is all good. I already had turned on the let me go to display. I had already turned on screen protector mode there before I got it started. But yeah, man, dome glass screen protector here, already installed. I'll leave a link for it below. But that's it. I'll let you guys in the next video. Peace.